Hi everyone, it's Maive, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made the most requested item on my 30 days of polymer clay food prompt list. That was long. The Taiyaki cakes, which are Japanese fish-shaped cakes that are usually filled with red bean paste. So as promised, here's my tutorial. I hope you'll find it useful. After conditioning a piece of polymer clay in a light dough color, I flattened it into a slightly domed shape and traced the outline of the fish. Then I cut the shape out and rounded the edges with my finger. I sculpted the fish using one piece of clay and pushing the clay where needed, but if you find it more comfortable to add pieces of clay on top and blend them, by all means do that. To sculpt the fish, I used a flat chisel, silicone tool and a dotting tool mostly, and there is no easy way to sculpt it. I just looked at different pictures of the different styles of these cakes and tried to copy one of them. There's also a style where the face of the fish is missing and it basically acts like a cone where one can serve ice cream in, so you can also try that. I added a little texture with a toothbrush and baked it for 10 minutes. Once that fish was baked and cool, I traced the outline on a piece of paper and flipped it over to be able to trace the shape on a piece of clay and do the other side of the fish. When both sides of the fish were ready, I made molds of them using 2-part silicone putty. Next, I took some more clay and filled in the molds with it, stretching and making the clay thinner to be able to add a piece of dark clay to simulate the bean paste filling. This won't be very evident, but it will look like there's something inside the cake when you hold it against the light, which I think is cool. After that side of the cake was baked and cool, I added the other side and tried to match it the best I could, bonding the two with a little liquid clay. After baking them for 30 minutes and letting them cool down, I added a little color using acrylic paints in beige and warm brown shades. Lastly, I applied a little matte varnish to seal in the paint. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up so I know. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Maive. I'm a polymer clay artist and author living in the southeast of England. So if you like this video, why not subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never ever miss any of my uploads. Don't forget to share your recreations with me using the hashtag Maive Ferrando on Instagram. I love to see what you guys make following my tutorials. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sending you lots and lots and lots of love. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll catch you next time. Bye! Ciao ciao!